Yo, I'm Micks Mowers and Merman and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be working on this ALLETT Cambridge 2024 17-inch battery-powered cylinder mower. This has been sent to me all the way from ALLETT itself for purpose of review. Now, I've already done some videos on this machine on how to change the belts, how to do's and don'ts, set up and how to use this machine. And more importantly, the safety features that are on this machine and how to use them and work alongside. Because whenever you're working on machinery, you need to be safe all the time. With this particular video that I'm doing today, we're going to be looking at how to change your cartridges on your ALLETT Cambridge. Now, these cartridges come in a different range. They come with a 6-blade, a 10-blade, a scarifier, versacular brushes, that sort of stuff. And they will be available from ALLETT very, very soon. On the older style ALLETT machines, you would have had to remove the side inspection cover located here on the front. And it's got 4 bolts, okay? And you had to remove that to enable you to remove the cartridge out because of a white cylinder gear on the inside here. But ALLETT have made 1 or 2 changes with regards to the ALLETT Cambridge, with regards to the design of their cylinders now. This cylinder mower is battery powered, so we need to make sure that at all times we are safe, as I say. So at the moment the cylinder works, everything is live on this machine. To make this machine safe, is very, very simple, and I will go overboard. You can just remove the key, okay? Put the key in your pocket or in the grass bag, wherever you want. I'll put it in my pocket, just so I know where it is, in case kids turn up. Now, with the door shut, this cylinder mower will not fire up. Nothing works. But just to be double safe, lift the door back open again and then remove the entire battery from the cylinder mower itself, okay? Now we know this machine's not going to start, but it won't start without the key anyway. That is an important feature for me to say. Now the machine is completely dead. It won't work, it's not operational, safe to work on. Use gloves and eye protection if need be. With your ALLETT Cambridge, it will come with an Allen key. Mine didn't because it's Austin's own machine, and this is a demo machine, so mine didn't come with an Allen key, but yours will. All you have to do on the front of this machine is there's 2 5mm Allen bolts located at either side, okay? And all you have to do is just undo those 2 bolts. Now this will take around about 30 seconds. I'm not going to edit the video out. I'm not going to do anything to speed the process up, okay? I just want to show you the real time in what it takes to change the cylinder mower on one of these ALLETT Cambridges. There's 1 bolt removed. Just slacken it off. Now these bolts, when you do them back up, you don't need to hang on these, guys and girls. You just need to snug them home, okay? If you over tighten them, you're going to cause damage and wear to your machine, so don't over tighten them. And then just simply snug them in when you're doing them up, okay? Once they're loose enough, you can then just do it by fingers and just remove it. A little bit of a wiggle sometimes does help as well. That one's just catching up there. There it goes. With your 2 5mm bolts, put them to one side, put them out the way. You can then, with the side cover still attached, don't forget, because there's a white gear inside here, which is your cylinder gear. You can leave the side cover on, and you can then just wiggle, 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 out comes your cylinder. Now's a fantastic time to tip the machine back if need be. Don't forget it is battery powered, so there's no problem with any oil or anything like that. Tip the machine back and then have a good clean in and around the whole cylinder mower, get out any grass, and I'd recommend doing that with an air compressor or a leaf blower and just a damp sort of cloth, just to have a good tie up and a good clean up, okay? Once it's been cleaned up, or you've taken your cylinder off for sharpening, or you want to change your cylinder from a 6-blade to a 10-blade or versacut or scarifier, whatever it is you're going to put in your machine. Pick your cartridge back up and then just present it to the cylinder, or to the cylinder mower, and then just make sure you're lining up this white gear and just take the weight, just lift it slightly and then just slide the cylinder back in. Once the cylinder's gone all the way back in home, you can then get your 2 5mm bolts, and they go back into the same place I went before. Now, if you have problems locating, just grab the cylinder by the handle and just a little tiny wiggle. It may not be all the way home. You can put a little tiny bit of fine grease down the side there just to make it smooth run in. Put your 2 little tiny 5mm Allen bolts back in. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That way you get most of it tightened up just by hand. That one's nearly gone. And then grab your 5mm Allen key, which will be supplied with your machine, and then just slowly nick those up. Now this will take you no more than about a minute and a half, okay? Simple as that. It's a good feature that I've actually put on these new cylinder mowers on the Cambridge range. Having that little tiny cutout in the side inspection just makes it a bit quicker, and also you're not having to remove the side inspection cover, losing your bolts on the side, which normally end up going in your lawn, and you find them when your cylinder mower hits them. Once they're done up, nice and snug. As I said, you don't have to do them up tight, you just have to be in. And you can tell if it's in because the cartridge is no longer shaking about. Now we're ready to rock and roll. You can try and engage your cylinder, it won't work. We're going to open up the battery door, and we're going to put our Greenworks battery back in. Just remember, you have this groove on the top, and it goes in that way with the writing up the right way. Slide that back into your cylinder mower, push the grey lever down, push the battery all the way home till it goes click. Once that's done, reach into your pocket, and in your pocket you'll find a little tiny red key, which is one you took out earlier on. You can then put the key back in, down the bottom, and it will go in either way. It doesn't make a difference, it goes in either way. Close the lid back up, put your Allen key away, and then your cylinder mower will then fire up. Two-stage safety feature, and you're good to go. As I say, the ALLETT company does have, for the ALLETT Cambridge, a range of cartridges coming. Now, I believe they're not quite all available as of yet, but they are coming, only because they have made alterations to the side covers and to the actual cartridge itself, okay? But they will be available very, very soon. Once you've got your cartridge all in and secure and where it needs to be, then just attach your grass box on the two little tiny clips just like so. Fit that on, and you'll be good to go mowing again. Now, as I say, I've done some other videos on this machine, how to set it up, how to use it, the do's and the don'ts, which is very, very important, and how to change the belts and that sort of stuff. So please check out Micks Mowers and Mower Man over here on YouTube to check out videos on this particular range, which is a brand spanking new 2024 ALLETT Cambridge 17-inch cylinder mower. If you like the little video of Micks Mowers and Mower Man, then hit the old subscribe button and whack the old bell, set notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I'm up on a video, and I look forward to you girls and guys very, very soon on Micks Mowers. But until then, don't forget, much more importantly, take care easy.